All right, so this says solve the system of equations. So again, y equals 4x minus 10. That is a linear equation that is in slope-intercept form. So we know if we wanted to graph that by hand, we could do it easily. Our y-intercept would be at negative 10 on the y-axis. We would put a point there, and then we would go up 4 over 1 for the slope. The second equation in the system, 6x minus 3y equals 6. That equation is in standard form. So if we wanted to graph this by hand, we would have to rewrite it in slope-intercept form, which means to solve it for y first before we can do any graphing. Then what we're going to do to solve this problem, though, is we are going to solve it using Desmos. So the nice thing about Desmos is it will graph lines in slope-intercept form, and it will graph lines in standard form. So all you have to do to solve this problem is go on Desmos, type in your two equations to graph your lines, and then look for the point where they both intersect. So the first equation, y equals 4x minus 10, is graphed here in green. And then that was in slope-intercept form. It graphed it easily. The second equation, 6x minus 3y equals 6, is the purple line here. So that equation was in standard form, but Desmos will still graph it, which is a super nice thing about Desmos. So then remember, the solution to a system of equations is where the two graphs intersect. So since we're working with linear equations and systems of linear equations, the solution to the system is the point where both lines intersect. And here we can see that the solution to the system is this ordered pair 4, 6, because that is the point where the purple line and the green line meet.